Holy smokes, UPS truck is here. And my brake calipers are here. Ooh, very nice. What is up, guys? So I have messed up my brake calipers on my Corvette ZO6, and I actually had to get another set. Looking into these guys right now, they're the same as mine, they're different color. These are... We got them. Finally got them. We don't need no brake pads. Now we gotta wash them. We don't need no brake lines. We got it broken. Not bad. We don't need none of that stuff. Clean them up a little bit. They're silver or gray, whatever this color is. And I gotta clean them up. And I think they should be just fine cleaning up. So, I mean, I bought a whole set, everything with the brake lines, with the brake pads. I don't need any of this because I'm putting new lines in. But looks like all these screws, they look really good. Nothing is stripped, damaged. And this is the one. Oh, actually, this is the driver's side. So this is the one that's stripped in my caliper. This all looks awesome. So track days can't come fast enough now. Hopefully this is gonna go good. Clean, not so much.